Hello, welcome to today's Python programming class. And this is our first class. And today we are going to learn very basics of Python. But
Okay.
before I go to, are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know programming? Like, have you done programming before?
I know the basics of Python.
Okay. Okay, that's good. And do you know any other programming language other than Python?
No.
Okay. For example, there are programming languages C, C++, Java. These are all programming languages. So like we have normal languages like English, Hindi, using that we communicate with people. Similarly, using programming language, we communicate with the computer. So we give instruction to the computer to take some certain action. Right? We tell add these two numbers. We tell that print this number or print this name, or we tell computer do this operation. Right? Copy this file from here to there. So these are the instructions we give it to computer through programming. So next question is, why should we learn programming? What are the advantages of programming? So Rinkin, can you tell me like what are the advantages of programming?
Some advantages of programming are that we can create websites, apps, and games.
Right, that's right. We can create websites and games. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So today we are going to develop some name a batch generator. We are going to learn print, input, variables, string formatting. So why should you learn Python? So you know Instagram, YouTube, etc. And the backend they use Python programming. So there are a lot of websites, uh, even backend servers, many business logics. They are using Python in the backend. So if you want to be software engineer, if you want to work in IT, or if you want to work in even non-IT sector like biotech, there are also people are using programming, machine learning, artificial intelligence, a lot of software related tools and things like that. And if you know Python, you can create games. You can have your own games. You can create your own games. You can show it to your friends, right? You can create websites, calculators, music player, chatbot, even art generator, and you can even control a robot car, all with Python. So Python is named after what? Is it named after a snake? What do you think?
It's not named after a snake, but it's named after Monty Python's
Right.
circus.
Yeah, it's named after Monty Python. It's a funny TV show. So Python creator Guido Van Rossum was a fan of this show. So he named after this TV show. But a lot of people are mistaken. They think that this Python programming is named after snake. But it's not named after a scary snake. It's named after Monty Python Flying Circus. It's a funny TV, comedy TV show. So today we are going to learn these concepts. We will print some string. We'll be printing hello world. We'll take some input from the computer. We'll understand what is variable, and we'll combine multiple text together. Okay. So where do we learn Python programming? Python programming we can learn on our computer itself using IDE or any like VS Code like tool, or we can directly learn on online websites. So today we'll start with the easy way. So you can go to google.com and search for Python programming. Python programming, Python online compiler. And once you search that, you will come to this link. Okay, Python online compiler. I have to click on this link. First link. There are many other online compilers. You can pick up any one of them. So this one will be loaded. So here you can run your Python program. So let's say you program wants to talk to you. So what will it say? It will say hello everyone. Hello everyone. So this is the function print. So it tells computer that you have to print, and this is a string we are passing to this function print. and this string is a double quote. Is a double quote within a double quote. So print hello everyone. So it printed hello everyone. And you can change anything. You can change it to your name, hello Ringgit. It says hello Ringgit. Now it's hard coded. It's there in the program. So I can create a variable. Variable here I can say Ringgit. Okay. So what is variable? Variable is it's a box to store information you want to use. It's like think about a box. Box has a label name. Another box has a label age. In the name box, you are storing your name. In the age box, you are storing your age. Let's say 11-year-old. Right? So it's a variable is a box which stores information you want to reuse. Okay. So here we are creating a variable name, and then instead of hello ring team here, I can use a variable hello comma name. So this is string and this is variable. So still it's printing hello ring team. Now here itself I can change to alok. It is printing hello alok. So I don't need to change anything here. Now I don't want to change anything in the program. I want to get that name from the user. How do I do that? I have to ask user that what is your name, right? So for that I will ask user using input function. Input function starts with like parenthesis, first bracket and ends second bracket, and means ends with end bracket, parenthesis, and then double quote. And what is your name? So in the program, I'm not hard coding anything. Okay. So I will ask user, then run it. What is your name? Suhas. Hello, Suhas. So then again, if I run it, now I'm not changing anything here in the program. So that's the beauty. I'm asking user, what is your name? My name is Ringgit. Okay. Ringgit. Hello, Ringgit. So what we learned? We learned print function. We learned input, like asking user for some input, and user will type in the details. And we learned combining of text. So hello name. Then we can add some more text. How are you? What is your name? Alok. It will say hello name. Name is Alok. How are you? Hello name. How are you? Right. Here I can add comma also so that it will look good. Hello name. How are you? Let's say Alok. Hello Alok. Comma. How are you? So I put a comma here. So this way you can concatenate or add multiple string and variable together. Or you can use plus also. Instead of comma, I can use plus. Right? And it will do the same thing. Hello Rindu, how are you? So hello plus name plus how are you? Okay. So these are string. This is a string. Name is also string. Right? And how are you? This is also a string. A string means any text within double quote. That is a string. Any text, hello within double quote string. Your name within double quote string. Apple within double quote string. So any text within double quote will be a string. So we learned about print, we learned about input, we learned about variable, and learned about combining text. Okay. So we have covered this. Now, what we'll do, we'll create a badge, name badge. Okay. So we have like at the beginning, we have seen this kind of name badge. People wear if they join some company or enter some company or like. So we'll be creating a name badge. I'll be sharing this content to you. after this class is over, and then you can modify this program and try on your own. Let's copy this whole program and I will explain what we are trying to do here. Okay. So I'm printing welcome to the name badge giant. Then I'm asking enter your name. I'm asking enter your age. So user will provide age. Then I'm asking what is your hobby. User will provide it. Once I get all the details, I'm printing your name badge. Your name, your age, your hobby, and your officially Python code. So now I will run this program. Rinjim, you are able to understand this program, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Rinjim, enter your age, 11 years. What do you love doing? Painting. Your name badge, name Rinjim, age 11, hobby painting. You are officially a Python coder. So this is like in a formatted way, in a nice way, in a colorful way. We are printing your name in the badge, right? So then you can modify this program and you can try with your friends. You can ask what is your favorite color, what is your favorite food, etc. And you can print the details. So you can try this out as your home task. So now let's go to the just quick revision part. So what does print do? What does print do? Ranjan, can you tell? It displays text on.
Displays text on screen.
Okay. What does input do? Let's user type something. User can type something in the keyboard and it will take that as an input. Computer will take that as the input from the user. What is variable? Variable is a name used to store data. It's like a box you can think, which has a label name. Box has a label name, and in that box you are storing your name. Right? That's a variable. What happens if you forget quotes in the print? Then you will get an error, syntax error, right? So for example, in the first line, let's remove this double quote. And you will get an error, syntax error. Syntax error, unterminated string literal. This string is not terminated. Here it started with double quote, but it is not terminated with double quote. So this is unterminated. That's why it gave error. Line number 1. Line number 1. You can see line number 1. Okay, home task is like I will be providing you this class notes, and you can create my hobby poster. You can create your page, and that's it for today. Hope you like this. And those who are watching, if you are interested to join our class, please fill up the Google Doc provided below this video. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.